bear with me. I'm just gonna find out why there's so many people getting warnings for metagame.
Messiah's warning from
Hi, Messiah.
Hello, buddy.
Wait, is Messiah in here?
Okay, so we got 1,
Wise Teen,
2,
Trouble.
okay, 3 and 4 is epic. So Luke is getting one.
Messiah. Fuck.
Hello.
What's going on?
Basically, when the TO conducted that raid, I was in the channel, basically the Poopville channel, let's just call it that, and like,
Yeah.
I had a bunch of people metagaming, and I think even some stuff. I'm just going over the
Yeah.
footage now.
Thanks for that. Cause like, honestly, tonight, like, I felt like my arm was twisted because they were like, well, we're actually getting plays on blah blah blah. And it's like, but we still have to uphold the rules, you know?
Exactly, you can still be fuck around and make like, have a fucking like coop like they had,
Yeah.
and not break the rules.